Hello everyone, I'm Minakshi and welcome back to Giggles. Today in this video, I'm going to tell you how to make healthy Subway meal at home. Subway do offers healthy meals, but not everything on their menu is good for you. So today I'll tell you how to make healthy Subway with the right toppings and the right dressings at home. The right toppings, that is veggies, can make or break the nutrition value of a Subway meal. So I've added only healthy toppings here, which include lettuce, tomatoes, red yellow capsicum, bit of onions, finely chopped, cucumber, and these are jalapenos I have got from a grocery store, and this is pickle. You can get both of them from any grocery store. Now I'll be chopping lettuce. It make sure that it is finely chopped. So I have chopped rest of the vegetables. I'm just showing here the lettuce. Vegetables do require patience. They need to be cut very finely so that it is easily eatable in the Subway. Even the cucumber, if it is a Chinese cucumber, you can keep the skin as it is and cut very thin round slices of cucumber like I am showing here in the video, so you can easily eat them as it is in your Subway meal. Now my toppings are ready for the Subway. You can see that I have dipped onion in water to remove its sourness. Now for the dressings, you can choose fat-free dressings only, that is vinaigrette, sweet chili, sweet onion. This Thousand Island and mayonnaise, these contain 81 and 78% fat, so you can avoid if you really want to make totally fat-free Subway meal. Now for the non-veg Subway meal, I'll be adding chicken salami spicy. I've got this from Easyday. And for the veg, I'll be adding little bit of paneer cubes. For this, add a bit pinch of salt and pepper to marinate the paneer. And you'll be cooking both these on the tawa. Now take out the pickle from the jar and cut them into very thin slices like it's been shown. This really adds to the taste of Subway, so I usually add in most of my sandwiches and whenever I make Subway meal at home. So I'm thinly slicing the pickle. Now you can take out the jalapenos too. This is basically gives a spicy flavor. The sour and the spicy taste it gives to the meal. So I add these two. You can even add olives in your Subway meal, that will enhance the taste of your Subway. Now the jalapenos and pickle are ready to be added in your Subway. I microwaved the frozen pack of salamis to take out 8 to 10 of them, and now I'll be cooking on tawa all the salamis for the non-veg Subway and the paneer for the veg Subway. So I'm cooking on separate tawa. As you can see, I'll be cooking till it turns golden brown in color. You can turn the side after 5 minutes and you can just see the color. Now after 5 minutes you can turn off the gas and it is ready to be added in your Subway. The bread I am using here is a multigrain garlic flavor bread. I got it from a nearby bakery store. So just remove the laminated part and cut the bread into half like it is being done in the video. You can even take brown bread loaf, that is totally upon you. Now I have taken cheese slices here. This is totally optional. You can skip this if you do not want to add. I have cut them into half. Now cook the plain side of the Subway bread on tawa. Start adding cheese slices on the Subway bread. As you can clearly see that I have cut 1/4 part of the bread to make the veg Subway and rest of it to make the non-veg one. So transfer all your toppings here. I have added lettuce, tomatoes, red capsicum, cucumber, yellow and green capsicum too. So now I am adding onions here. Now you can add the jalapenos and the pickle to your Subway. See, I got this bread at just 70 bucks. So if you are customizing this meal in the Subway store, that will cost you around almost double, that is 150 rupees. So I'll be making this even less than 70 rupees it will cost, as this whole loaf will be eaten by 2 people or more than 2 people can even share this, because we have added toppings here in a large amount as compared to the Subway. Now you can add dressings. I have added sweet chili, Thousand Island mayonnaise. You can skip Thousand Island and mayonnaise if you are a weight loss concerned. I'm adding here sweet onion now. Now transfer the salamis that you have cooked on tawa on just the 1/3 part of the bread, and the other part I have added paneer. Now you need to close the bread very carefully so that you keep all your toppings inside. If you want to make veggie delight Subway, what you can do is finally chop your veggies that include capsicum, paneer and peas. Add half katori hung curd to it. I'll give you the link in the description box how to make hung curd. So instead of adding mayonnaise to the mixture, you can add hung curd to your veggie mixture. So your Subway meal is ready to be served, guys. Enjoy with your friends and family. Please hit the like button if you liked my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Giggles, and even click at the bell icon for regular notifications. Till then, take care. Bye.